the guide up. And this is where we went right here. So I did fill it in a little bit better. So I must say, once again, shout out to Zulisy Optics for sending over the optic that I put on my Mac 9DS Comp. I am very impressed with the optic. So for those of you that are looking for a budget optic where you're not breaking down, go to zulisyoptics.com, Honda 12 at checkout, save you a little bit of cash. And like I said, I am very impressed with this optic. And right out the box, did not have to be zeroed or anything like that. So that's another plus. It uses shake weight technology. So as soon as you pick it up, the optic comes right on. And this is a red dot. They do have a green dot variation, which I prefer. But like I said, they sent this one over to me. So, hey, I am very grateful for that. And
yeah, you already know who it is. Confidence reloaded. Safety on point, sights aligned, and the mindset tactical. Let's get into it.
come on, y'all got peep the shirt. How cute is that? If you are not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Have a super blessed and awesome day, y'all.